Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that displays the photo. This ensures changes apply everywhere. Next, prepare your image, JPEG or PNG, square if possible, and within the size limits so Google can auto-crop cleanly. Once done, open Account Settings, Personal Info, so you can access the profile photo control immediately. Make sure you use a reliable network and a device where you can preview the image at full size before upload, because that prevents common cropping surprises. Now upload your prepared image via the Personal Info section. Click Change Photo and pick Upload or a file from your device. You'll see a crop and zoom tool. Use it to center faces or logos because that determines how the photo appears across services. Once framed, click Done or Save. Google often processes the image for various sizes, so you may notice a short delay. After saving, check your profile in Gmail or Google Search to confirm the new image appears correctly. Finish by verifying the new photo across several Google products, Gmail, Search, and Maps, because changes propagate at different speeds. If you don't see it right away, clear your browser cache or sign out and back in. Incognito mode helps isolate local caching issues. If the old image persists, delete the previous photo from your account and re-upload. Sometimes a fresh upload forces the update. One key tip: allow up to 24 to 48 hours for full global sync before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.